Hello, everyone, and welcome. I'm Oriel Morrison-Higgins, and I'm joined today by Linden Sproule, the GM of Corporate of Polymetals. Linden, welcome. It's good to see you again.
Yeah, likewise, Oriel.
Now, you're coming to us today with some good news. You've just exchanged the rehabilitation bond at Endeavour. Can you explain to investors what this means?
Yeah, look, we started looking at this project in 2022. Back then, we were a $6 or $7 million exploration company. When we acquired the project in 23, we were obviously too small to take on that liability. And the vendor kindly assisted us in terms of holding onto that bond for 2 years. It was due for a replacement on the 1st of August. So we've done that now. What that means is that we get access to around $19 million worth of real estate here in Cobar, 42 houses, 52 rooms in blocks of units, and an amount of industrial land that comes with it. It also releases the security that the vendor had over the project. So we are free people now. We can go about our business the way we want to.
So what are you planning on doing with this real estate portfolio in Cobar? I mean, I think there's, 42 houses? I think you said 4 unit blocks?
Yeah, so we are looking at ways to use those assets to release some of the cash back to us for the bond. We obviously used our own existing cash reserves to fund that bond. It's not great use of capital, but it's where we landed. So at the moment, we have 220 employees. Our staff are utilising 100% of our real estate, but we are looking at other ways to maximise the leverage we have on those assets.
Well, you just talked about the fact you used your own cash reserves to exchange the bond. I guess this is a positive. You know, you said it's not the best use of capital, but at the same time, it does say a lot about the strength of your balance sheet, does it not?
Yeah, for sure. We've got ongoing production. Last quarter, we produced our first net free cash flow. We're reducing our debt. We only have about $8 or $9 million of debt in the business at the moment. We're continuing to amortise that. And we're continuing to produce at the moment. We are processing high-grade silver-lead-zinc material from the upper North Lode through the mill, and we have consistent ongoing production moving forward.
So it's been quite a journey, hasn't it? I mean, you talked about starting this journey in 2022, but you now have full ownership. What's the biggest change from an internal perspective about this full acquisition?
Yeah, look, there was, in the core team, there was 3 of us. That acquired, 4 of us, sorry. 4 of us that acquired this project, completed the due diligence, started the feasibility work. All 4 of us are still with the company. We believe in the growth that the company offers, but the company is no longer a 4-person show. It's a 220-person show. We've got a lot more to achieve. This asset is enormous. It's not being utilised to its full potential. It hasn't been for the last 2 decades. We're doing a lot of exploration, so moving forward, we did release a number of drill results. We're going to continue to release more drill results over the coming weeks. That's all leading up to an updated resource during this month, updated reserve and mine plan in September, and really now showing the market, okay, what is the future of this project? It's now in production. It's now making cash. What's next?
Well, there certainly sounds like there's a lot coming up, Linden. We're very much looking forward to following that journey and talking to you again very soon when you've got some results to share.
Thank you.